Ooh, that looks cool. Oh my gosh, it went all the way out.
Oh shit! No,
yeah,
man, that's even worse.
It went all the way out.
Wow, this is hot.
Whoa.
Yeah, we're
Police have let us stay in this awesome pavilion while there's a huge party downtown. We are in Geneva on the Lake, Ohio. Our tent's set up in the carnival tent.
We made it to Pennsylvania. It's very wet here.
Whoa, that's like a cool drop off at the end. It's really hard to do with one hand though. Railroad tracks really are bumpy. Ah, God, Jesus. It is so hot. All right, we're headed to a museum and this is how we store our bikes when we are not riding them. We find a bike rack, which is this yellow thing. And then we put two bikes together. So one this way and one this way. And then we have a bike lock. And it goes from this bike through the bike rack to this bike. Stop laughing at me. Claire and Chris also have the bunch of wires and cords and everything going on, but they kind of unpacked as well. Ellen, I think
You can ride on
look
it.
at that flat. Look at that.
You're gonna just ride on it.
Oh my gosh, it went all the way out.
Oh shit! No,
Yeah,
man,
it went-
that's even worse.
It went all the way out. Ellen,
Oh
your tire
man,
is
maybe
flipped.
not.
I heard
Okay,
it.
we need duct tape.
I heard it just go. I'm scared. What?
Anybody have duct tape and like easy to grab?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, we need duct tape.
Oh
We've got
my God! Look at that flat.
Holy mother.
These were all nails. These are all nails. Look at how many. Look at
You
those
gotta
right
take
there.
the tube out and then you're gonna put a line of duct tape on the inside.
We've
put
been
it
sitting
here,
here
it
for an
doesn't go.
hour
Okay.
patching tires. Ellen got a nail through the tire and then she put in a tube in her tire. But the tube also had a hole in it. But she put in a new tube and that one had a hole in it too. And then
So
she
the first one is a mystery. I don't know what was on
duct taped her tire.
and it's raining.
And it's rain. Oh, it is raining. So I've just been sitting on the road, eating some. What are we eating? Huckleberries.
Mulberries.
Mulberries. Very yummy. Hopefully they're not poisonous.
There's a mulberry. You want to see it?
Yes. In case you don't know, this is what a mulberry looks like. Doo-doo-doo.
Comes off a tree.
Comes off a tree, has a little stem.
Rabbits like them, woodchucks like them. Late June, early July.
Whoa! Hey now, slow down there, honey.
His hands are above his head.
We have 70 more miles to go today. Which means we're only 9 miles down the road. And it's gonna rain all day. But that's okay, we're headed to John Mark's house tonight, so we're gonna have a nice rest day tomorrow. And a nice shower and some laundry. If I put my hand out and start waving, somebody will, but
If this tire is
I don't wanna
flat,
be
I don't
rude.
have another option, and I'm just gonna have to hitchhike to the tire shop, and you're all gonna have to meet me there.
on the bright side, the tire shop is only 10 miles away. It's a long hitchhike. Whoa, we stopped at the exact right time. I am not wet at all, and there is like a tornado coming. It looks like, well, it looks like one. Whoa.
I hope people use this. This is number 3.
Got it.
Did I get it?
Okay, Ellen, you have to do something. And Chris has to do something.
You got it. Oh, I can do it. Yeah, you got it. Wow.
Shit.
Ellen just almost slipped on that.
Pulls down her arms. Get those biceps.
All right, your turn.
No, I don't know how that
Do
works.
something, anything. You can do muscle up.
Wow, this is hot.
Whoa. That's part of the music video. Yeah. Road closed. We went through this construction site because a roundabout was getting put in and we did not want to go back. Wow. We're the first people to drive on this. Woo! Whoa. We're getting ready to leave and Chris is pounding the calories. We also have our guest today. Her name is Kana. She's pretty cool. She's pretty cool. You're gonna be on the videos. Literally just pounding bread. Wow. Adventuring at its finest with the Christopher. I bet you could jump from here and land on that.
Yep.
Diagonal.
I'll put my foot right there.
I don't think you should.
I won't.
Okay, good. She already broke your ankle. Whoa, these are train tracks.
I did break mine one time. One guy breaks his ankle one time. That's all you hear.
Hoping everybody's having a good day. Better than Ellen's, because, you know, she has another flat tire. Does this count? I think this is number 15.
This is number 5 in the past 48 hours for Ellen.
But life is good. Life is good. This is gorgeous. Yeah.
Yeah, we're
You guys, I've been tracking your location and I'm like, your little bubble has gone like in and out of the airport and I'm like, they're probably sitting under a tree. And I'm like, there's somewhere. I know! There's the car! I know! We drove past and I was like, babe, it's them! And he's like, what? They're actually here? This worked out? I know, I don't know.
Literally
man.
like, we're gonna pull in the airport and we're just gonna like ask people, have you seen a group of
I'm like, and I was looking around, I'm like, oh, there.
Life hack. Put your foot on the curb so that when you are at a stoplight, you don't have to like get fully off your bike. You can just like keep your foot on the curb. Geneva on the Lake is poppin'. Yeah. Guys, the police have let us stay in this awesome pavilion while there's a huge party downtown. We are in Geneva on the Lake, Ohio, and it's a huge party. We just had a funnel cake, pizza, and a gyro. And now we have our tent set up in the carnival tent, because that's fun. 1, 2, 3. And the police are right there, so we'll be safe. Okay, wait. That one was so gross. That was so gross.
A little bubble at the end.
Your turn. Your turn.
It was just that hot air.
We need to replay that. Okay, go.
Where do I begin?
We are doing it. Another meal sponsored. Thank you, Kana. John Mark's sister.
Thank you, Connor.
We
You're
have
champ. We missed you
loaded
already.
French fries.
Well,
Oh, so yummy. Hey yo, we made it to Pennsylvania. Woo!
Here, Ellen, can you take a picture of me by your bike?
That's so cute. Look at her.
I'm kind of well fucking wearing them.
Okay,
For a while, it's when I carry them around.
you convinced me.
Let me know when you're ready.
And I will be putting.
I know, none of us have our rain pants on except Claire. Mine are like way yonder in China. Mine are so far away though.
We made it to Pennsylvania. It's very wet here.
It was wet in Ohio too. Ohio?
No, it was dry in Ohio. Oh, here, you hold this.
It was dry in Ohio.
It's dry. I don't know what's wrong with Pennsylvania.
There she goes.
Now we are protected.
We are in Pennsylvania. It's super wet. It's wet here.
Yep.
In Pennsylvania.
So wet.
Claire thinks she swallowed a rock today.
I do think so. I was hacking up a lung like a like one of those coughs.
Like this.
She kept spitting. It was just a whole thing.
I got it on my leg. I spit on my own leg. Downfall.
All right,
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you hold it?
Nope.
Would you look at that?
Their crown benches are very
All right, time to keep going. We have 25 miles until we're in an Aldi, maybe even 20.
Yeah, 42 left for the day.
42 left of the day. Little wet. I am carrying around rain pants that I bought at Goodwill. What?
We get to Aldi, we're almost there.
But I'm not wearing them for whatever reason. Don't know. All right, yep, bye. Update for you guys. We are almost in New York. Ah, that's so exciting. So we're in Pennsylvania and Ellen's chain broke 2 miles from like when we started, and now Chris has a flat tire 1 mile after that. So we are 3 miles in and we've already had 2 long stops, which is completely fine. We just want to beat the rain, which is at 3 o'clock and it's 9:30. We want to try and make it like 60 miles, but we'll see what happens. But it's gonna be a good day. Guys, we are in New York! I'm so excited. I don't know why. I'm just excited. Look at, there's like Erie right there. I just keep singing Welcome to New York by Taylor Swift and then Empire State of Mind by Alicia Keys. I just keep singing those because those are the iconic songs for the state of New York. I don't know where everybody else is. I think my excitement just brought me to the front. Everyone's behind. I will stop at the top of this hill. But yeah, I'm just really excited. New York is our last big state. We have 10 more days of this entire trip and New York is probably like, I don't know, 8 of them, maybe 7 of them.
Okay, everybody, you gotta go all at once. It's just way better.
Cheers.
Cheers to some disgusting goo. Sorry, goo, but these are not good.
It smells. Nope, you go all at once. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So good. It's incredible. I want more of this. I wish I had like twice as much. Oh my gosh.
We do.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
It's so good.
But the one gulp is better.
I don't want to unplug my nose because I'm gonna taste it.
All right, I got it.
Ugh.
Oh, wow, I got a lot just now.
Well, up close.
Ew, no. Okay. Okay, it's starting to rain. I'm all done. This was so bad. This is Ryan. We're staying at his house. It's pretty awesome. We had steak. Nope, we have chicken. We had chicken and potatoes last night in this awesome pool. I walk outside the house and this is what I see. Who's drowning this man on purpose?
It's the invisible man! Stop!
Ooh, that looks cool. Tarzan.
Thank you.
Life hack. Put fenders from cereal boxes on your bike so the rain doesn't get everybody else wet, but it's not raining. He won't have a trash bag on his bike, but he'll have cereal box fenders. Look at this.